Are you guys ready for your new toys? See the box? Well, I'm opening your toys. Are you excited? You're welcome. You're pretty, pretty. Does anybody want the receipt? Okay. What do you think? Oh, you love it? You're welcome. Do you want to check it out? Just another one. That one just needs head scratches? Okay. All right, that works. You want to try this one? Because what I could do is I could scratch you with it. You want to come here? You want to come here? Can I scratch you with it? How about you? Oh, that's kind of nice. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness, that feels nice. Want some scratches? Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Come here, get some tickles. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Okay, you look at that one for me. Oh, it's a face. Oh, hello, Penny. Thank you. Here, want to look this one? You're pretty, pretty. You love it? You love it? Thank you. Wait, let's go back up here. Oh, I like this one. Look how big it is. Ooh, smell it? You love it? Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Where are you going? Where are you going, little lady? Come here. Where do you think you're going? Come back up there. How about this one? Is it pretty? Not so much? How about this one? That one's just too big. Oh my goodness, are you so scared? Look. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come here. Come here. You like it? Oh, that one good. What are you doing? Here. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, you guys. Okay, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look. You're pretty, pretty. Come here. Let's look at this one. You just wanted to scratch you? You're silly. Let me scratch you with my finger. There you go. Oh my goodness, it's so nice. Mwah. You can have a kiss. You want to try that one? Peek-boo. Peek-boo. Okay, did we look at that one yet? Oh, that one's scary, huh? Oh, I like this one. It looks like a little dumbbell. You wanna try it? Mmm, tasty. You're pretty, pretty. Why don't you come over here? Come here. There you go. Come on. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, last one. Come here. You like this one? Yeah. Pretty girl. Nope, you're not good enough either. Okay. Well, there we have it. New box of toys. Thank you, Planet Pleasures.